Hello, my dear pharmacy students. My name is Sachin Jadhav, founder Fundamental Pharmacy, author of Fundamentals of GPAT Niper DI Pharmacist Volume 1, GPAT Cracker Achiever MCQ book, and few more books. Welcomes you in this YouTube video session. Friends, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Students, this video is going to be very useful for GPAT, Niper, Drug Inspector and Government Pharmacist exam. And in this video, we are going to see again pinpoints from Pharmacognosy. We have already completed 5 videos on pinpoints regarding Pharmacognosy. Please go and watch those videos also. Now friends, we have seen regarding the alkaloids, glycosides, introduction, their classification, and also we have seen the specific identification test for alkaloids, glycosides, etc. Now in this session, we'll see the biosynthesis of alkaloids. So remember, alkaloids are the secondary metabolite of the plant. They are nitrogenous basic heterocyclic containing compounds. Basic nitrogenous heterocyclic compound. They are a secondary metabolite of the plant. So how they are synthesized inside the plant? Plant में वो बनते कैसे? Remember over here. So plant will utilize carbon dioxide and water. Plant will utilize carbon dioxide and water and will synthesize its sugars by the process of photosynthesis. तो प्लांट में क्या होता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाटर यूटिलाइज करके शुगर बनाते हैं प्लांट. द प्रोसेस इज नोन एज अ फोटोसिंथेसिस. ओके, जैसे ही शुगर बन गया, सो वंस शुगर इज फॉर्म्ड, नाउ दिस शुगर्स कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड फॉर द ग्लाइकोसाइड्स. शुगर कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड फॉर ग्लाइकोसाइड्स. ओके, like saponin glycosides and etc. Various kind of glycosides. Sugars can be utilized for glycoside. Now sugars is utilized for respiration. Sugars will be metabolized in the plant for the energy. Okay, after metabolism, you know that the end product of carbohydrate metabolism is nothing but the acetyl-CoA and amino acids. Okay, acetyl-CoA and amino acids. So after the respiration or after the metabolism of sugar, after the utilization of sugar for the energy, a plant will convert sugar into acetyl-CoA and amino acids. Now if you get amino acids, so amino acids say आपको, you know that from amino acid you can get the protein, from amino acid you can get the phenols, from amino acids you can get the alkaloids, from amino acid you will also get the glycosides. So glycosides means sugar plus non-sugar portion. So non-sugar portion will come from amino acid and sugar will come from sugar. Now from acetyl-CoA, malonyl-CoA is synthesized, and acetyl-CoA itself is utilized for the biosynthesis of terpenoid steroid nucleus, and this nucleus when combined with the sugar you will get a saponin or cardiac glycoside. Malonyl-CoA, it is known as acetate pathway. So conversion of acetyl-CoA into terpenoids and steroid known as acetate pathway. Now malonyl-CoA will be converted into different like flavonoids, then fatty acid. It is known as a mevalonic acid pathway. It is known as acetate pathway. Formation of steroids from acetyl-CoA, terpenoids from acetyl-CoA, that is the acetate pathway. Formation of fatty acid, waxes, oils, flavonoids from malonyl-CoA, that is known as a mevalonic acid pathway. And formation of this amino acids, formation of amino acids from these sugars, it is known as a shikimic acid pathway. Okay, remember, formation of amino acids from the sugars known as a shikimic acid pathway. And then once you got amino acid, you will get a phenols, lignin, flavonoids, alkaloids. Okay, so that's how secondary secondary metabolites of the plant, they are formed. We'll see biosynthesis of alkaloids. Alkaloids, you know that these are the secondary metabolite of the plant and they are biosynthesized from amino acids in the plant. So इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन बहुत बार आ चुके. This point is again very important. So which alkaloids are biosynthesized from which amino acid? So this question they used to ask frequently in the GPAT, Niper, Drug Inspector and Government Pharmacist. In case of Niper also, a lot of times they already asked question on this. So you know that we have seen different classes of alkaloids. So depending upon the heterocyclic ring, there are different classes of alkaloids like indole alkaloids, then then phenylethylamine alkaloids, propane alkaloids, pyrrolidine alkaloids, quinazolidine alkaloids, etc. Then acridone alkaloids, imidazole alkaloids, etc. So we'll see first propane alkaloids. So propane alkaloids means they will have a propane ring in their structure. Propane alkaloids atropine, choline, hyoscyamin, scopolamine, and hyoscine. These alkaloids are biosynthesized from L-ornithine amino acid. L-ornithine amino acid is a bio-precursor for atropine, choline, hyoscyamin, scopolamine, and hyoscine. All these are known as a tropane alkaloids. Tropane alkaloids, and these are. Then next is a cuscohygrine and hygrine. Cuscohygrine and hygrine, they are known as a pyrrolidine alkaloids. Pyrrolidine alkaloids, cuscohygrine and hygrine, and they are also synthesized from L amino acid, that is L-ornithine. Pyrrolidine alkaloids, for example, laminin, indicine, N-oxide, then metallodine, then retronesin. These alkaloids are known as a pyrrolidine alkaloids, and they are also biosynthesized from L-ornithine amino acid. Okay. Now then, this one is a lobeline, piperidine, piperine, anaperine. Lobeline, piperidine, piperine, and anaperine. They will have piperidine ring in their structure, and that's why they are known as a piperidine alkaloids. Remember, piperidine alkaloids, they are biosynthesized from L-lysine amino acid. Quinoluzidine alkaloid, they are example crystidine, lupulin, and serpentine. They are also biosynthesized from L-lysine. Then imidazolidine alkaloids, indolizidine alkaloids like castonospermine and swanosine. Castonospermine and swanosine, they are indolizidine alkaloid. They are also biosynthesized from L-lysine amino acid. Phenylethyl amino alkaloids. Phenylethyl amino alkaloids, for example, these actually adrenaline, dopamine, noradrenaline, and tyramine. Actually, these are not alkaloids. These are known as a biogenic amines. So adrenaline, dopamine, noradrenaline, tyramine जो होता है, they are not alkaloids. They are known as a biogenic amines. They are a neurotransmitter, and they are also biosynthesized from L-tyrosine and phenylalanine. Both are the precursor. Phenylalanine and tyrosine, both are the precursor for these biogenic amines. Then again, tetrahydroquinoline and tetrahydroquinoline alkaloids. For example, morphine, codeine, papaverine, thebaine, tuberculin. All these alkaloids are synthesized from L-tyrosine amino acid. Phenylethyl isoquinoline alkaloids. For example, this atomonaline, crenine, then lycorine, and hemanthamin. So these alkaloids are also biosynthesized from L-tyrosine or L-phenylalanine. Indole alkaloids. So these alkaloids will have indole ring in their structure. So they are biosynthesized from L-tryptophan amino acid. So remember, indole alkaloids are biosynthesized from tryptophan amino acid. So they may be either different type, like simple indole alkaloids like psilocin, then aurodocin, then beta carbolin indole alkaloid like elaginine, harmine, then terpenoid indole alkaloids like agemelazine, catharantin, which are found in your vinca plant, anti-cancer vinca plant. Then quinoline like quinine, quinidine, cinchonidine. Okay, so cinchona alkaloids are also biosynthesized from indole amino acid, L-tryptophan amino acid. Then again, pyroindole alkaloids like yohimbine, cornithine, ergot alkaloid like ergometrine, ergocryptine, ergotamine. All these are biosynthesized from L-tryptophan amino acid. So remember, indole ring जिसमें होगा, they are biosynthesized from tryptophan amino acid. Imidazole alkaloids, they are biosynthesized from L-histidine. For example, pilocarpine and psilocin. Imidazole alkaloids biosynthesized from L-histidine, pilocarpine, and psilocin. Acridone alkaloids like acrinosine, they are synthesized from L-arginine amino acid. Then pyridine alkaloid like nicotinic acid. Pyridine alkaloids are biosynthesized from nicotinic acid like anabasine, nicotine, etc. Now all these whatever we are saying, this is a true alkaloids. True alkaloids matlab they are biosynthesized from amino acids. Now protoalkaloids. True alkaloids means what? They are biosynthesized from amino acid, and nitrogen will be present in the heterocyclic ring. That is a true alkaloid. Now next one is the protoalkaloid. Protoalkaloids means they are also biosynthesized from amino acid, but nitrogen is not present in the heterocyclic ring. So that is a protoalkaloid. So for example, hornidine, mescaline, and your ephedrine, ornithine, mescaline, and ephedrine. So they are biosynthesized from phenylethylamine alkaloids. Okay, they are synthesized from phenylethylamine. Now you see again I will like to repeat it. Propane alkaloids they are synthesized biosynthesized from ornithine amino acid. Pyrrolidine alkaloids are also biosynthesized from L-ornithine. Pyrrolizidine alkaloids are also synthesized from ornithine. Piperidine alkaloids are biosynthesized from L-lysine amino acid. Then quinoluzidine alkaloids are obtained from L-lysine. Then indolizidine alkaloids are biosynthesized from L-lysine. Then phenylethylamine alkaloids they are biosynthesized from L-tyrosine. Tetrahydroquinoline alkaloids they are also biosynthesized from L-tyrosine. Phenylethyl isoquinoline alkaloids are biosynthesized from same tyrosine or phenylalanine. Then indole alkaloids are biosynthesized from L-tryptophan. Then imidazole alkaloids are biosynthesized from L-histidine. Acridone alkaloids are biosynthesized from L-arginine. Pyridine alkaloids they are obtained from nicotinic acid. And protoalkaloids or alkaloidal amine. So they are biosynthesized from phenylethylamine. So this was again very important. This is very important again. Now next we'll see the different alkaloids and a ring present in the same कि अल्कोलाइड और उसमें कौन सा रिंग है इसके ऊपर भी बहुत बार क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं so they already asked the question on this what kind of ring is present in the what kind of alkaloid so I have listed this in front of you so this hygrine alkaloid and coca alkaloid means cocaine egonine etc so cocaine alkaloids and hygrine alkaloid that is they will have pyrrole and pyrrolidine ring then arecoline anabasine conine lobeline trigonelline these alkaloids will have pyridine and piperidine ring in their structure now atropine hyoscine hyoscyamine these will have propane ring in their structure propane ring itself is made up of a N-methyl pyrrolidine N-methyl pyrrolidine okay then quinine quinidine cinchonine cinchonidine so these alkaloids will have quinoline ring in the structure remember then morphine codeine d-tuberculin berberine imetine sapalin papaverine narcotin these will have isoquinoline ring in their structure so out of that morphine and codeine will have phenanthrene ring argometrine argotamine reserpine vinca and naxomica alkaloids physostigma they will have indole ring indole itself is a benzpyrrole ring indole ring or benzpyrrole ring then pilocarpine isopilocarpine psilocin they will have a imidazole ring in the structure then caffeine theophylline theobromine they will have a purine ring in the structure purine ring itself is made up of a pyrimidine plus imidazole okay remember now solanidine conazine protoveratrine or steroid these alkaloids will have a steroidal ring in the structure steroid ring in the structure steroid ring is itself known as a cyclopentano per hydrophenanthrene okay remember now aconitine aconine hypoaconitine this will have a diterpene ring in the structure ephedrine pseudoephedrine mescaline colchicine they will have alkylamine they are also known as alkylamine or amino alkaloids so this was the important points from alkaloid chapter again thank you very much if you need such kind of full lectures you can join our online class GPAT Niper 2023 online course here you will get a live lecture recorded lecture study material test series all these included in the 8,000 rupees we have very much amazing result in the previous 5 years and if anybody wants these books also they can call me directly thank you very much and please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon